In a lush green forest with tall trees, colorful flowers, and sunlight shining through the leaves, a tiny, cute bird builds her nest on a tree branch. Suddenly, a strong storm blows. Trees shake, nests fall, and the bird's eggs break. The sad little bird sits under a tree, crying softly. Then,
Oh my, little bird, why are you crying?
My nest is gone, Big Elephant. The wind blew it right out of the tree.
he gently talks to the bird and helps her by building a new nest using his long trunk. The forest looks peaceful again. Later, hunters trap the elephant in a net. The bird bravely pecks at the ropes and frees the elephant. The elephant smiles and thanks the bird. The forest looks peaceful again. Together in the happy forest, the elephant and the bird smile. Moral: even a small friend can do a big thing.